my guys. This guy's telling me to jump on this thing.
I mean, just give it a friggin', dude, give him a test.
Oh, welcome back.
Where we're going.
We are going to Sema. We're on a bus.
It's exciting.
Yes.
Oh, they try to monitor your shit, huh?
Yeah, because on the curves I could go up to 30, and then on the straightaways 40.
So Elon Musk built tunnels.
Yeah, I didn't know which one it was, but
The boring company.
We're gonna have to take that again.
I didn't know that.
He was what, number 70?
He was number 70. We gotta find number 70.
What a nice man. I'll be back.
They're out here stealing tires now?
Yet, right? What's that? You guys haven't been to the West Hall? No. Yeah, this is all new stuff.
They're out here stealing tires now.
Oh. Just leave the wheels. Take the tires.
It is, I guess.
Hand engraved.
I wish I could remember this guy's TikTok. It's gotta be somewhere on here.
Oh, dude, look at the interior.
You wanna make you little badges with the flag?
Yeah,
That's sweet. See, we just got an idea.
One thing, headliner.
Oh my god, this is great.
Look at the headliner in that thing.
Matches your swim trunks. America!
I like the fenders on us.
How do we get these tires? We need these.
If someone knows where to get military tires, let us know in the comments.
Whoa. Found the old Cubi Tack. Sick. Oh. West Hall action.
Let's call action again. Back
Check
at it again.
Check out that huge digital board.
There we go.
Things all digital.
We got food court versus Dunkin'.
I'll get some water
You
with West Hall.
You need a cheeseburger yet?
I'm getting there.
Okay.
I ate like 4 hash browns this morning because I was too hungover. Party too hard. It's Vegas.
We're the only one matching today.
Twinsies.
Yep.
Hit a fly. It's gone. Get in there and see how they mounted that thing.
Let's take a look-see. Let's inspect it. What do we got? Oh, hit your head here.
Okay. So it's a
Whoa.
solid plate that they riveted in. Or is that bolted? That's
Oh, it's bolted.
Nice.
Powder coated.
Nice.
RAL 2009 KTM color.
Yo,
Looks good.
come on.
Alex, you gotta stop touching your face, bud.
Yeah, it's fine. It's interesting.
Yes. Yeah. It's cool. Easy Rider.
Hey guys. So this guy's telling me to jump on this thing.
I mean, just give it a friggin', dude, give him a test. Name of the company, Easy Rider. Check them out. This guy right here.
This thing's sick, man. Thank you, my guy. Thank you. Yeah. Thanks for stopping in, guys.
Yeah, no problem.
Dude, it's got 3 lug nuts. An odd number lug nut.
Those are smart car wheels. What do you mean?
You always lose one, so there you go.
See that? The bumper?
See the bumper?
Look at this.
Okay, see the bumper? Boom. Sema, and this company needs a little help with the branding. They should have put their logo on their door, so they got their sticker. Oh, I broke it. It's a cheap sticker. It goes like this. You gotta have it in there. It's perfect.
Yep. With the 12 point.
The old knuckles. Yeah. Very nice.
Well, that's how you make.
Oh. Is he gonna move our stacker?
12,000 pounds. What's the stacker weigh?
8,500.
The stacker one weighs 8,500.
There's a 4 models. That one's the 12,000.
Yeah.
There's a car. Yeah. So
We'll just tow it down the road.
With that, it's
Tow it down the
fine.
road to the shop with this.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Blind now?
Yeah.
Hello? Got any drinkies in here? No. Oh, still Gatorade left in there. Nice.
give you 2 spares.
What do you think about this car right here?
This car? For one, it's one of my dream cars. I love the ZL1, especially the one LEs.
Yep.
I don't know how I feel about those fender flares though.
I just don't know.
I like the carbon
Purple weave?
but it's just, I don't know. This is the name of the ZL1, it's an SS. The ZL1 hood on it. Shame. That's pretty slick though. It's a lot of carbon.
I'm liking that. I like the color.
Got the fusers and the splitter though.
He's melting the stainless. The reason for that, our wheels don't get nearly as hot as you're going to see here. This is auto body. Notice it's not even discoloring the auto body. Now I caught just a hair there. You know, with a fiber wheel, that could have been when it blew up on it. Not going to blow up on our wheels. With our wheels, even if you're cutting something like carbon fiber, no problem with that.
A normal shirt, you know.
Shit.
Look at that shit.
Give it a spray. It just falls right off.
Falls right off. That's
All right.
CNC machines.
We'll be ordering our shirts from you.
Do you have like a catalog or like a thing?
They got websites.
I have a website. I'm out of catalog. So you guys
Cool with the little. RJ's giving her a try. So you've never used a spool gun,
No.
or done aluminum.
No.
You've never tigged aluminum either.
Nope.
Just steel. Welcome back.
Welcome back. Someone gave Russell the welder.
You're gonna have this. The things they'll let him do.
This. Start out a little slow for like that first thing. Just kind of hold it there for like a full second.
Flip her over and do the other side.
I just
Badass.
no more exhaust fan. Let's get one of these.
So, burger review time.
Yep.
I'm gonna flip around. Alex, we got the Miyagi burger.
I gotta spread my mayonnaise.
We got egg, onion ring, cheeseburger, obviously.
A solid 10.
Perfect.
Well, isn't this nice?
Perfect.
Never stood in
Really good burger.
Yeah, we did when we came.
So what do we got here, Alex?
Rolls Royce belonged by Hoonigan, I think.
Yeah.
Owned by Hoonigan, I think.
Nice. Hellcat, you said?
Hellcat swap. I haven't followed this build too closely. The Warthog too.
Love the buttons. That's sick.
Close up.
got some nice leaves on it.
Oh, this is beautiful.
They spent all their money, wheels, tires, and gear drives. They only have a little radio.
Yep.
I like this dude's truck. Drive shaft on the big ass Cummins.
Little Bluetooth draft shaft.
And the little Bluetooth drive shaft action.
What happened?
Where's your transfer case?
Hello? I love Gas Monkey, love Richard Rawlings, but come on, man.
Oh, man.
What the hell?
Is this his?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ray Charles, he hired Ray Charles.
I mean, wouldn't the factory welds look better? It's a bad time.
Oh my god, you have to take Oh, dude, he really is waiting to throw tires for us.
We gotta figure out where the Ignite show is.
You guys know where the Ignite show is?
What's that?
You guys know where the Ignite show is?
I don't know.
By the West Coast Customs.
Oh.
What would it be? Oh.
The west end of the hall. Okay.